Hello and welcome to the Castline Systems Cable Calc 18-2 lighting circuit tutorial. In this video we're just going to cover doing a basic domestic lighting circuit, which would also cover a single phase street lighting circuit. If you don't already have Cable Calc, you can sign up for a month's free subscription at castlinesystems.co.uk to give it a try. So the first thing to do is to select lighting as your type of circuit. Now for lighting circuits you enter your load and distance at the top of the screen under lighting data instead of down here at the bottom of the supply tab like you would do for a different type of calculation. You can either enter your load and distance as just one load and distance, or you can enter the load and the distance to the next point for it to calculate out your volt drop and R1, R2 values at each point of the lighting circuit. So I'm just going to enter in a couple of loads here and some distance in meters. Okay, and I'm going to evaluate that out. You can see it's calculated those values there for you. We'll select some 1.5mm twin earth and set that on a 6 amp protective device like you would do for a domestic lighting circuit. So looking at the calculation checks at the top, we're all happy with those. So I'm going to go view report. Here you can see all the details of the lighting circuit, as well as down here at the bottom you've got the load and distance at each point, as well as your volt drop and R1, R2, ZS values, etc. For three-phase highway lighting calculations, the method is very much the same. The only difference is how you enter the load. For a three-phase street lighting circuit, you need to have the type of circuit on lighting, and then highway lighting, and then three-phase and neutral. To enter the load and distance data for a three-phase street lighting circuit, you click on the highway lighting data button, which will bring up a screen where you can enter the load and distance for each fitting on each phase. So I'm just going to start on phase 1 and just enter a couple of loads and distances on each phase. And when you've finished entering them, just click done. When you evaluate the circuit, it will show the worst case load and distance at the bottom. And when we view the report for the circuit, you can see it's carried out the calculation. It will show you the breakdown of each of the 3 separate calculations that it's carried out to produce a three-phase highway lighting circuit. And for the purposes of load and volt drop, it always takes the worst case leg into account to do the calculation. Thank you for watching this Cable Calc tutorial video. Please visit the Castline Systems YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. If you have any questions or would like to contact us about anything, please email us at support@castlinesystems.co.uk or get in touch via our Facebook page.